best of 3, all 3 games at home. Correct. That's how the wild card works. Yeah, it's awesome. I'm excited too, Hank. It's going to be fun. Do you think you're going to make it?
I do, but 65-35, yes.
She played the Blue Jays, and I guess the Blue Jays.
The Tigers.
And the Blue Jays. So the Tigers would definitely be playing for something, or most likely. Pretty crazy. It's awesome.
Hi. With the Mount North Police Department. The reason I'm pulling you over is a modified exhaust system. You know, I have an exhaust system in the state of Florida that's louder than originally manufactured.
I was unaware.
What's that?
I was unaware. It's not even that loud. I didn't think.
It's louder than originally manufactured. Alright, so anything you do to the exhaust to make it louder than originally manufactured is illegal in the state.
Okay.
Do you have your driver's license?
What? I guess. He said my exhaust is too loud. Yeah.